I am making the recipient sites for the follicles. The follicles are the grafts that we have harvested from the back of the scalp. These grafts have been harvested and now they're going to be put in a specific grid pattern. I draw a grid pattern for the area where I'll be placing the grafts to minimize any dead spots. Now, dead spots are where you don't have an even number of grafts placed or it's not smooth or even. By making a grid pattern, I am putting a precise number of follicles in each box that you see here. I've spaced the follicles out evenly and I'm putting an exact number per box to make sure I don't have any areas that are bare scalp. Now, when doing this, one of the most important steps is to make sure we have the correct orientation and direction of the hair. What does that mean? What that means is the hair is going to be placed in a hole that mimics the natural way the hair would grow. By doing it this way, the goal is for the transplant to be imperceptible. We don't want anyone to know what was done except me and the patient. So the recipient sites have to be in the correct orientation, direction, and angle. This is what separates an amazing transplant from a mediocre one. The recipient sites have to be evenly spaced. By using a specific grid, I'm making sure I don't have any new bald spots that I'm creating.